Hey guys, in this video today we'll be adding some power steering fluid to my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Just wanted to come on here and make a little video on how to do that in case you weren't exactly sure how, and I wanted to show you where to put in that power steering fluid. We're going to go on ahead and start up the Jeep. This is a cold start, and we're going to listen to that whining sound that is coming from the engine bay, which is ultimately the power steering. You can really hear the strong whine sound when I pull it out of the garage and start to turn the wheel a little bit from side to side. So the power steering reservoir is located on the driver's side of the engine bay. My Wagoneer's engine bay has a blue cap. Just twist it a little bit to the left and then pulls right out. Wow, there's nothing on this. Went over to AutoZone and picked up this small jug of pressed stone power steering fluid for $5. And it didn't take much to fill it up at all. So I started with a full bottle right here where it says 900 and I used a third of it. Now she's all full and topped off, ready to go. And after I gave her some of that delicious power steering fluid juice, she was up and active, ready to go, and that sound had disappeared. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and check out my other Wagoneer videos that I have. This is my baby. It's my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I got it exactly 2 years ago on August 23rd, 2020. And I have a lot planned for it. I've been really slow with the uploads this year, but coming next year, I'm going to start to get it back into it again. Done a little bit so far, but I have lots more to come. So follow along, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day. Until next time.
Why does it look kind of cute though? Do you think he'll want this footage? Garrett on his way to Tennessee.